Schedule a hearing and send an invite to all participants. Participants receive an email invitation that contains a unique link to join the hearing. When they click to join the hearing, they will be prompted to read and accept the rules of conduct before they are able to proceed. Participants give permission for the browser to access their camera and microphone. They can then test all is working before they join the hearing. The participant is placed into a waiting room. Waiting rooms are specific to the role of the participant. Dylan is part of the defense team. Jennifer has also joined. She is the interpreter. We will come back to her shortly. If a participant needs assistance at any point, they can easily ask for help from the host, like Dylan has just done. The judge joins the defense waiting room and can have a private conversation with Dylan. We now see this same request for help, but from the judge's perspective. He sees Dylan's request and clicks to join the defense waiting room. The judge has a private discussion with the participants who requested assistance. In this case, Dylan and his interpreter, Jennifer. Once the discussion is concluded, the judge rejoins the main room. In the main room, the judge has an overview of all waiting rooms and the participants. In this case, there are people waiting in 3 separate waiting rooms: defense, witness, and prosecution rooms. When the judge is ready, he can choose to start the hearing. By doing so, everyone is moved to the main room automatically. Court is now in session. The judge sees Jennifer, the interpreter, as a picture-in-picture for Dylan, who she is translating for. From the interpreter's perspective, she sees this view. She has the ability to change the direction she is translating. From main floor to non-native, she is translating what is said in the main room to the non-native speaker, Dylan. The interpreter's audio will be ducked for the participants in the main room. If she switches, she will be translating what Dylan is saying to the participants in the main room. Here, the audio from Dylan is ducked while her voice is prominent. At any point during the hearing, participants can send a message to the judge via the chat functionality. Once the hearing is over, the judge can end the session. And here we see participants clicking to leave the hearing too.